Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your login error on the Amazon Prime Video application. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. In this video, I'm going to teach you two methods to fix your login error. So moving on to method 1, firstly open up the Play Store app. After the home page of the Play Store app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in PRIMEVIDEO and click the search button. In this method, we're going to check if your Prime application is updated or not. Sometimes if the application is outdated, login issues might appear. So after searching for the Prime Video, if an update button appears on your screen, go ahead and click on it. As you can see on my screen, my app is completely updated, so an update button doesn't appear. Once you hit the update button and once the Amazon Prime Video application is completely updated and installed onto your device, it should fix your login error. If that method didn't work for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. So in this method, open up the settings menu on your phone. Once the settings menu opens up on your phone, scroll down and find this apps option. After you click on the apps option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, find the manage apps option and click on it. If you click on the manage apps option, a search bar will appear on your screen. Now on that search bar, type in PRIMEVIDEO and open up the Prime Video application. Once you open up the Prime Video application, you'll be guided to the information page of the app. In this method, we're going to delete all the excess data which you don't require from the Prime Video application. Now on this page, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see three options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Go ahead and click on the clear data option, which will open up another menu. Now on this menu, click on this clear cache option and then click on OK. This should fix your login error on the Prime Video application. If that method also didn't work for you, you can either contact the customer service of the application or you can uninstall and install the application again. I hope this video helped you to fix your login error on the Amazon Prime Video app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.